Today we're going to show you how to make a net ionic equation. A net ionic equation is a way to write a chemical reaction. This type of equation shows exactly which ions are reacting with each other. In a net ionic equation, the spectator ions are not shown because they are simply carried out from the reactants to the products, and thus do not change anything. So let's use this chemical equation as an example. We have lead nitrate, which is an aqueous solution, plus sulfuric acid, which yields lead sulfate and nitric acid. The first step of creating a net ionic equation is to separate all of the aqueous compounds into their individual ions. When working with polyatomic ions, do not break them down. So we would break down the first compound, lead-2 nitrate, into lead-2, which has a charge of 2+, and nitrate, which only has a charge of 1-. So that's why there are 2 nitrate molecules in this compound, so that it would balance with the lead. Notice how nitrate isn't broken down into nitrogen and oxygen because it is a polyatomic ion. So the equation we would end up with after breaking down every aqueous compound is lead plus nitrate plus hydrogen plus sulfate yields lead sulfate plus hydrogen plus nitrate. At this point we have the complete ionic equation. However, we want the net ionic equation. To get the net ionic equation, we must remove the spectator ions from both sides of the equation. So we would remove nitrate and hydrogen gas from both sides of the equation. This leaves us with lead plus sulfate, which yields lead sulfate. This is the equation you end up with, and is a balanced net ionic equation because it shows exactly which atoms and molecules are reacting.